Hello and welcome to this series and welcome to EW tutorials. So till now what we have learned about how we have generated the model part and the HTML part, URL section. So now what if I want some change in the model. So I want height of the bag also. So I will directly write models dot integer field. So now let's see what would going to happen. I will say first I everything is running and write say it is happening, no such column of third bag app is height. So now it is totally declined that there is no column is updated in my this application. So you need to close the server, then again write python manage dot make migrations, enter. So now what it will going to say it as, please provide the one of default, and let me quit 1. I will write as 1 and exit. So just after that you need to press 1 and everything will be migrated. So now you can check here, we have this bag height. So now what this file has done is like generated by Django, this one on this date and time. So now what the thing is, migrations, what is applied, add field model name bag height, field model height default is 1. So that means whatever the value it may become, it would automatically be default, right? So let's go to this section and refresh. So mobile data, so now this value is 1. So hit save, and if I add one value, so now like we have implemented this height column in this table. So now before that every value was not in height, so it asked me about what would be the default value we need to put. So I said 1. So okay, I will set it as a laptop cover. So height is 4, height is 10. Okay, save, hit save. So now this all things are safe. Again, I want to add one more thing in a model. Whenever I add something in a in a model, every time I need to write make migrations and migrate. Make migrations means you need to create some updation or deletion kind of data, right? If I delete this column and hit save, so now what would going to happen, I need to again close the server and run the migration. Make migrations. Oops. Make migrations. So now it is saying that remove field height from bag, right? So python make migration migrate. So now everything is applied. So that means you gave the permission to Django to apply all the changes what you have generated in the migrations file. Where is the migrations file is here, remove bag height. So now again I want to write it as weight is equal to models dot integer field, hit save. So now where is it? So now again I apply the make migrations. So now it is again asking me, you are trying to add non-nullable field weight to the bag without a default. We can do that. Okay, provide one of default now, quit, or let me add a default value. That means if I write 1 or second, I press second, so now it will be in a 0 default value. So python run python manage.py run server. So now what is this? So I need to copy this thing and apply into this section. So now, okay, I need to go into the admin part. Okay, here it is, and it is saying what, and nothing is applied. Okay, so I need to go in this section and close this server. Close this server, and I need to apply the make migrations again. Make migration. Oh, so that means I have applied the make migrations file. That file is generated, but I have not migrated. So one, like I want a default value, so okay, 3. So now everything is applied. Add the field weight to the bag. So now I write python manage.py migrate. I am giving permissions to Django to migrate and update in our data table. So now again write the run server. So now let's see what would going to happen. Okay, okay, laptop cover. So now you can say the weight is 3, but in the second option that was a quit exit. So quit and let me add a default value in models. So now that's it for this video. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. And in the series I will going to retrieve all these value in next video, so please watch that.